Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an enema kit. First, lay out all the parts of your enema kit on a clean surface. This usually includes the bag or bucket, the tubing, a clamp, and a nozzle. Make sure everything is clean and ready for use. This initial step ensures you have all the components at hand before you begin the assembly process, making the setup smooth and efficient. Next, take the long tubing and firmly attach one end to the outlet at the bottom of your enema bag or bucket. Then, select the desired nozzle and connect it securely to the other end of the tubing. It's crucial to ensure all connections are snug to prevent any leaks during use. A tight fit means a mess-free experience, so double-check these points carefully. Now, with the tubing and nozzle attached, fill your enema bag with the prepared solution. Most kits hold between 1,000 and 2,000 milliliters. Make sure the clamp on the tubing is closed before you pour. Once filled, securely close the bag. Then, hang the bag approximately 18 to 24 inches above the area where you will be positioned, allowing gravity to assist the flow. Before use, gently squeeze the tubing to remove any air bubbles, ensuring a smooth flow of the solution. Double-check that the clamp is within easy reach so you can control the flow rate comfortably. You're now ready to proceed with confidence. Also, for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and remember to always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.